In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted task in Asana. If you accidentally removed a task, don't worry. Asana keeps deleted items in a recoverable state, and with the right search and filter, you can bring them back in just a minute. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Asana, then click the official Asana website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your workspace so you land on the Asana app. Once you're in Asana, look for the search bar at the top of the interface. Click it to open the search panel. This area lets you quickly find tasks across your workspace, and it includes advanced filters that are perfect for finding deleted items. Next, open the filter options by clicking the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This expands the advanced search panel. Here, you'll see different ways to refine your search, such as assignee, project, and status. We're going to focus on the status setting. Find the status filter and change it to show deleted items. In some versions of Asana, this may be labeled as deleted, or only trashed. Selecting this tells Asana to return tasks that have been removed but are still recoverable. Now, run the search. Click the search button to display your results. You should see a list of tasks that match your filters and are currently in the deleted state. If your list is long, you can scan the task names, projects, and other visible details to spot the one you want. If needed, you can refine the search further by adding a keyword in the search bar, but the deleted status filter is the key. When you find the task you want to bring back, look for the small trash or restore icon next to it. Click that icon to recover the task. Asana will immediately restore it to its original location, including the project and assignee it had before deletion, as long as those still exist. That's it. Your task should now be back in your workspace. If it doesn't appear right away in the project view, try a quick refresh. Keep in mind that only tasks that haven't been permanently removed can be recovered, and you'll need the right permissions to see tasks from private projects. With these steps, you can safely undo accidental deletions and get your work back on track.